Hi, my name is Ross Pryor. I'm currently a freshman. I was born in Denver, Colorado. Once I was done there, me and my family moved to Austin, Texas. Lived there until about my fifth grade year, I think it was. After Austin, I moved to Raleigh, North Carolina. Lived there until about my eighth grade year. And then after my eighth grade year, I moved to Houston, Texas, and I finished my high school career there. And the reason I'm telling you all this about me is because my dad, he we would move because of his job, and he was a business major in sales too, and that's what I would like to do because I think my dad was pretty well off. He provided for my family very well, and I think that that's what I want to do with my life is try to provide and do all the things that I think is necessary to be successful in life. And on the subject of creativity, I think that it's very important to be creative in life because the world was founded on creativity. The person who invented the wheel was probably really like thought of it to be stupid to think that that would actually work, but he was a very creative, or she, I'm not really sure. They were very creative for making up a wheel and like being able to roll with that and then put it on four and then create a car and carts and things like that. And I think that creativity without it would the world wouldn't be the way it is, and we wouldn't be where we are today in like technology and in healthcare and all those things like make people better off as they are. And yeah, so that's why I think creativity is very important, and that's who I am.